Yes, crew, we are here in Birmingham, NEC. We are here to check out Motorcycle Live 2022. Yes. We've only got Crystal messing around with the tickets. What are you saying, baby? We've been here about 5 minutes and we haven't even got anywhere apart from this gadget over here.
Don't worry, things are with it.
There it is. Yes, crew. Renesmee, Lisa. Yeah. All right, crew. Today we have a few things on our agenda. Number one, we are going to find the 5 best looking and best enduro bikes on the market today, and we are going to stack them up 1 to 5, including price and spec. Number 2, thank you to Direct Bathrooms and Heating, who have given us £500 to spend on our first race, which is tomorrow. So we're going to get as much merchandise as we can: rucksacks, boots, helmets, goggles. So thank you to Direct Bathrooms and Heating. Check out the link below, check them out, and thank you. Let's rock and roll. So the first stand that we literally rock up to is the Fantic stand. Same as last year, the Fantics were right in our face and ended up buying one, so let's check this one out.
First up, we have the Fantic XEF 254 stroke, priced at £9,000, with a lovely Italian touch with the red, white and black styling. This bike is weighing in at 115 kg and running at 44 horsepower. Front suspension, KYB forks. It's a lovely piece of kit.
So we've just been having a bit of a chat with one of the gentlemen from the Fantic stand, who's just been introducing the Fantic XEF 250 competition bike, which hopefully, you never know, I might have one next year. We will see. Yeah. Where are we going, kids? What we're looking at? The kids' motorbikes. Are we on the try? You're gonna have a go?
She wants to do it.
Let's have a look, Renesmee. Little trials bike. Stand up on the pegs then. See if it's big enough for you. Oh, look forwards. Rev it. Yeah. So we were trying to get the kids onto the racetrack, but we've arrived now. It's nearly 12 o'clock and it's absolutely rammed already. So there is a sign saying that it can't go on. Fortunately, it is pretty cool, but hopefully we'll get them on next time. Down at NEC today, if you really wanted to get out on the circuit for free, you get the option to take out just a little bit further down there. You've got your Triumphs, you've got your Yamahas, you've got your Ducatis, which are just out in front of me now. You've got Honda just at the back, and you've also got some Harley Davidsons that you can take out on this little track. It's like a little enduro track, so for your touring bikes, it gives you a bit of opportunity to stand up, ride them, see how you feel, and if you do want to purchase one, then you can do. There we go. Just watching behind me a couple of guys going out on some tourer other bikes, checking them out. There's a CRF 250 as well, 4-stroke. Behind me, he's just gone past me. He's the one who's giving it a few beans. But it's literally just riding him, trialing him out.
Because we've had all different ability levels on all different sizes of bikes, haven't we, here?
Second bike that I found was the Yamaha WR250. It's actually sitting right next to the 450 and it literally looks exactly the same in relation to size. It's a 4-stroke, pricing at about £8,500, running at 115 kilograms with 30 horsepower.
Have you been on a simulator before? First time? You get scared normally, don't you, at stuff like this? Yeah. We have a tendency to have dinner just before we go on little rides, don't we? Which isn't very good. Daddy feels a bit sick now. Let's roll. Go on then, go on then, baby. We're checking these out. There it is. So what we do, when your hands are freezing, crack that little bit there, inside. Oh, it's quite hard to do. Go on, you crack it for me. Just cracked it there. You see it changing? That is now nice and warm. Put it in your hands, put it in your gloves, warm your back up. If you've got any back pain, there's ones for your back and stuff. And you literally, it stays warm for an hour, and you literally boil it in a kettle afterwards, or boil it back up in a pan afterwards, and you can reuse it apparently about 3,000 times.
Oh, we better next time.
So we're buying a pack of 4 for 20 quid. Yeah.
Yeah, baby!
There it is. We are now at the much loved KTM. We are first up is looking at the KTM 250 EXCF, which is the 4-stroke model, priced up at £9,700. This bike is only weighing in at 103 kg and it's running at 38 horsepower, which for 4-stroke 103 kg is really good. In a lovely colours, orange, white and black, looking lovely. Up next is the much loved KTM 300 EXC 2023 model. It is a 2-stroke. It's priced at £9,600 with the extras: Apoprovic silencer, factory graphics kit, WP Explore Pro shock, and this is also weighing in at 103.4 kg, but this is a game changer with a whopping 58 horsepower, which is fantastic.
Well, testing out the electric bikes in silence. Not even a peep. I'm not sure if I'm a fan of that, but it is what it is. They're definitely quiet. The pedal bikes, balance bikes, on the way, off the go. Kids are just having a go at these balance bikes, which is pretty cool. Carnage. Renesmee is rapid. She's in and out of them all. We've actually got her booked into a lesson, an off-road lesson in a couple of weeks' time, and then she goes on to a little revvy. So hopefully she'll be racing in a few years. Yeah. says that's what we want right there.
That's the one.
There's also a few cool off-road buggies and quads for you guys to check out and have a look at.
Looking around, I need some new boots, I want a new pair of pants, a helmet as well hopefully. Let's have a look around.
And finally we have the Husqvarna 350 FE 4-stroke. This is priced at just over £10,000. Comes in lovely graphics with white, blue, yellow. It looks a bit of a big bike to say that it's only 107 kg and it's rocking out at just over 35 brake horsepower. And this will be the only Enduro model that the Husqvarna's had up for sure. Now it's time for a little bit of fun on the main stage with a couple of the British Superbike commenters, where we've got to ride the push bike from one side to the other side and take as long as we possibly can, balancing it. Let's have a look how we get on.
Alan here now. Right, Nathan, when you're ready, I will start the clock when you get to that line. And start the clock, please. I'll put your feet down. If you do, you're disqualified. That's the end of your run if your feet go down. The business bike balance competition over in Hall 4. Come over there and check out their systems and check out their demonstrations. As you can see, lads, it's dead easy. I think we should have made him go last. Nathan, the show shuts at 5. You've got to keep moving forwards, and you can't keep moving forwards. 58. We're coming up to a minute. Brilliant. This is very, very good on the Ducati bike for the business bike balance competition. When you get a minute, don't hit the wall. Whatever you do, have such a full disqualification if you hit the wall. And stop. 1:35. Right. That was nearly as good as you did, Dominic. So, lads, you ride a bike, Rob, I guess, a fair amount.
An enduro rider, yeah.
And you should have really good balance if you're enduro running. Oh, right, okay, well, you're still a kid as far as I'm concerned, but the enduro riding is about going as fast as you can, and now it's about going as slow as you possibly can.
You're going to sit up and watch it down?
So, this is Rob, to see what he can do, an enduro rider. Rob, whenever you're ready, once you cross that line, we will be underway with the business bike balance competition up here on the back wheel stage. All right, cool, deep breaths. And start the clock. Don't hit the wall. Close. You're supposed to be concentrating, not looking at the crowd. Yeah, is he waiting? Oh, I see you right. Okay. Oh, and stop. 20.2. It was just for the camera, that.
Yeah, he won't want it, totally.
You got it all. At least it wasn't too long. You didn't wear your battery out. That's all right. Fire up, Rob. That's okay. 26. seconds coming up. Don't hit the wall, whatever you do. And stop. 27.2. Okay, good. Good. So, there you go. Being watched and videoed here now. So when get the pedals ready, and when I say go and you can start, I'll start the clock. Okay, I'm ready when you are. Go. And start the clock. You have to put your feet on the pedal. Right. Well, we've not actually seen this system before. This is the first that we've seen with anyone. Yeah, excellent. Yeah. I think, Dominic, you should demonstrate, really. You did 25 seconds. We like this, don't we? Yeah. Stop the clock, right. Jess, so it's true that you haven't ridden a bicycle before? No, never before. Oh, I don't believe that. You must be 4 years old then. Right, well, unfortunately, Jess, that didn't kind of work. So it looks to me like our champion today has been, it's Nathan. Well done to Nathan, fantastic job there. There you go, you end up with a bag that actually in that bag, you will get one of these.
So I don't know what position I came in there, but that gentleman that won, he won last year. He's just driven, he's in the army, he's driven all the way up from London, and he must have been practicing all year because that guy absolutely smashed it. So well done to him, fair play, good lads. Are we all tired out?
No.
You're not tired?
No.
No? Could you do it again? Shall we go back in for another couple more hours?
No.
Alright guys, that is the end of Motorcycle Live 2022. We've been there, done that, smashed it, got the t-shirt, we've even got a sticker from being on stage on the balancing a bike across a little Ducati push bike. Got my ass kicked, but it's taking part that counts. So we'll see you another time. Until then, see you later. We have literally just got back from Birmingham NEC. It is about a 2.5 hour drive, which is a bit of a trek there and back in the same day. And as well as we've been shopping when we've been down there, absolutely chaotic with the kids. But we're back, and I just want to say an absolute massive thank you to Direct Boilers and Heating Services for supplying me with, they give me £500 to help me out with this year's racing. And I just want to show you a few things that you guys have helped me with. Alright, we've literally, this is the whole kit that we bought today. New boots, new pants, we got clothes for the when it gets really cold, where you wear like little thermals underneath. We got a nice new helmet and some new goggles. We got some new body armour so we don't get injured, to protect my elbows, shoulders and chest and back. Got a lot of things for when I go laning again. Loads of waterproof so I can keep my phone so I don't get wet. These nice little bad boys, which is similar to this here, where you literally crack it and it keeps your hands warm, which is pretty cool. And these are the things that I won when I went on stage and had a bit of a laugh earlier on, which is pretty cool. So we've got absolutely loads of gear there. So thank you very much, much love. And tomorrow morning we go to town and we race. Yeah.